Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier's schedule trigger for custom times. This is incredibly useful when you need to automate tasks at specific intervals, whether that's sending daily reports, posting reminders, or triggering workflows at exact moments throughout your day. Let's walk through the setup process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or projects, as this will determine where your automation lives. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, click the Zap button to start creating a new automation. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll configure your schedule trigger along with any actions you want to automate. Next, click the trigger button. This is the starting point of your automation, the event that kicks everything else into motion. In the search bar that appears, type in Schedule by Zapier and select it from the results. This built-in app is specifically designed for time-based triggers, making it perfect for our needs. Now you'll need to choose your trigger event from the drop-down menu. Zapier offers several scheduling options here, such as every day, every week, every month, or even custom intervals. Select the one that fits your automation requirements, then click Continue to move forward. In the Trigger tab, you'll see an option to select your desired time of day from the drop-down. This is where you set the exact hour and minute you want your Zap to run. Be mindful of your time zone settings here, as Zapier uses your account's default time zone unless specified otherwise. Once you've selected your preferred time, click Continue. Before moving on, it's important to verify that everything is set up correctly. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can find sample data. This step confirms that your schedule is configured properly and ready to fire at the times you've specified. You should see a successful test result appear on your screen. Now it's time to set up what happens when your schedule triggers. Click the Action button, then search for and select Slack in the search bar. Of course, you can choose any app you want here, but for this example, we'll use Slack to demonstrate how the action side works. From the drop-down menu, choose an action event. This could be sending a channel message, a direct message, or any other Slack action available. After selecting your event, you'll need to connect or sign in to your Slack account if you haven't already. Zapier will prompt you to authorize the connection, so follow those steps to link your account securely. Finally, once everything is configured and tested, it's time to activate your automation. Turn on the Zap by clicking Publish at the top of the page. Your schedule trigger is now live and will run automatically at the times you've specified, executing your chosen action without any manual effort required. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a Zapier schedule trigger with custom times. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.